Hey y'all, welcome to Heritage Ways. Welcome to Project 54, episode 48. This is canning season week. For it, we are making something that is probably very well known to many of y'all, but I'm going to tell you why I almost got sued over it. Oh my goodness. Today we are making candied jalapenos. They are so delicious. I've got my little helper over here. Don't look at her. She doesn't want to be seen. She's washing my jars for me, but we are going to make candied jalapenos, and it's super easy. It is not difficult, y'all. This is really good, again, for a first-time canner, in my opinion. So let's jump right in to the hot and spicy and sweet and yummy candied jalapenos. Today we are making candied jalapenos. Now, a lot of people call that cowboy candy, but be careful because I was threatened with a lawsuit if I continue to call it cowboy candy, because apparently that name has now been trademarked after we all call it that, and there's thousands of Pinterest pins and videos and things on the internet about it. But if you add an S to the word, apparently it changes the whole thing, and you're not in violation of a trademark, of a trademark misusage. So we are making Cowboys candy, and that's why the S is on the cowboy. No matter what you call it good, because this is candied jalapenos. And y'all, it is so delicious. If you think it sounds strange, okay, that's fine. Try it anyway. It is not expensive to pick up a peck of peppers. Pickled peppers. I picked up this peck of peppers. Okay, I'm having too much fun with that. I picked up this peck of peppers at the farmer's market yesterday because I didn't know if I would have enough. I've got some out in the garden. I've got a few here in the basket that I've harvested from my garden. But what I'm going to do off camera, because that way I could turn the fan up and have it blow on me, because y'all, it is hot. But anyway, I am going to wash these peppers. I am going to slice them. I'm not going to de-seed them because that's just too much trouble. You can if you want to. And I'm going to slice them. I'm definitely going to use these gloves. Trust me, if you think you're okay not using them, I don't know what to say. Because even using the gloves with handling the peppers, any hot peppers, you can wash your hands and still don't rub your eyes, because you can still get that essential oil into your eyes. Been there, done that, not fun. So I'm going to be using gloves. So I will be measuring out 3 pounds. In fact, I'm probably going to double the recipe and make 6 pounds. But one recipe is 3 pounds of sliced jalapenos. So I'm going to get started working on that. Well, you won't believe it. This is incredible. All of those that I put in there, just randomly put in there, exactly was 3 pounds and 0.2 ounces. I couldn't have got closer if I'd tried. Okay, my next step is to put 3 cups of sugar and 2 cups of vinegar. 3 cups of sugar, 2 cups of vinegar, and then I'm going ahead and just putting these 3 pounds of sliced jalapenos, and that's it, no more liquid. So I'm going to put this on the stove, bring it to a boil, and after it starts boiling, I'm going to let it simmer for about 7 or 8 minutes. While this is coming up to a boil, I've got my jars that Little Miss Homemaker washed. I've got those in the sink and just hot water to keep them warm. Normally I would do them in the oven, but right now I have food in the oven. So, can't do that. Not going to do that. So, I'm going to go ahead and get my canner. Y'all have seen me pressure water bath can in my pressure canner. Again, that's what I'm going to use today. You can can these jalapenos in the smaller jars. I'm putting them in the half-pint jars today because I personally really love these. Other members of the family do as well. But how do I eat these? I mean, we put them on hamburgers. That's kind of my favorite way. Patty melt, a pimento cheese sandwich, a grilled pimento cheese sandwich. Dice them, put them in potato salad, pasta salad, deviled eggs. Put them as a garnish on a deviled egg or dressed egg. Just kind of use your imagination. And we keep them in the refrigerator. And oh, they're great with a side beside barbecue chicken. With meatloaf. Really, just... anytime you want a spicy sweetness, it's just really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything else ready to roll. Okay, our jalapenos. So they have been on a low boil for about 7-8 minutes or so. And that's it. Now we're going to fill the jars and put them in the water bath canner for about 10 minutes after it starts boiling. Yay! 10 of the half pints, 5 have sealed so far. I'm going to just let these rest and I will come back tomorrow and wash the jars and label them. I will see y'all tomorrow for another canning season theme week video here on Project 54. Y'all have a great evening.